Hello and welcome to Ben's project, and today we're going to talk about chainsaw modification, what you can do to chainsaw to make it run better. Today up for trial we have a Mountfield MC3720. It's about 30 or 40cc. It's a really small saw, it's a homeowner saw just for cutting firewood. It's only got a 10-inch bar on it. It did have a 16 on it, but the reason why this project took me so long is we've had some complications with the saw, but we've got it running just right now. And today we're going to do and take a look at a muffler mod, how to do a muffler mod, and just to get the chainsaw running better than a stock saw would. It's not recommended for everybody to do it, and on a small this saw it's not really worth it. However, to do it on a big saw straight away and not have no practice, there's no point. That's why it's only a cheap £100, if that, B&Q chainsaw. So that's what we've got today. We've given it to that mate, and this is what we've got to do with project with. So without further ado, we'll get into it. So with chainsaw modification, all chainsaws run differently, but they all work the same. So how a chainsaw really works is, I'll just go over it briefly. Just take this air filter off here. So you've got a carburetor, so the fuel gets sucked up from the tank. Air and fuel go through here, through the intake side of the cylinder, and it goes out the outtake side to the exhaust. Most manufacturers now restrict the space between the two for emission purposes and emission requirements, so you're not getting as much performance out of your chainsaw as you could say from a 1970 saw. Will run way better than a new saw. Same with Steels, Cavano, all the main brands. The old saws run better than the new ones and have way more torque and power. So what will a muffler mod do? Well, a muffler mod will make your saw breathe better. In other words than that though, there's a lot of restricted space, and how a two-stroke engine works is the gases get pushed out, but then they also get pushed back in. There's a baffle inside the muffler, and that brings it back in, and it strikes it again. And with restricted space, you're not getting as much fuel and stuff out as you should be doing. So if you look how small the exit port is, it's not very big. So we're going to open that up today and wake the saw up. Because she struggles, we're going to do a test cut stock first and see how the saw runs first. So but obviously we're not going to do it without PPE on. So the PPE I've got on is chainsaw boots. These are scaffold boots. We've got type 3 Arctic trousers on, and we're going to be wearing chainsaw gloves, helmet and visor as well. So let me just get my helmet on and we'll get to it. Helmet, earmuffs, visor, what you should be wearing. I'll just put this on. Now we'll put them down in a second. First we'll put the saw back together, and then we will do the muffler mod. Chainsaw gloves on, just to make sure. Seeing I'm wearing them out, it's just a couple of cuts, but to wear all this PPE is purpose for it, because if anything goes wrong, you know, that's what it's there for. It's there to save this, not just to make it look, I don't know, whatever. I'm just going to wear them. Right, Right, so we'll take the saw to the wood. Right, so what we've got is we've got some ash wood, quite hard wood, so it's really going to test this saw out with a 10-inch bar. It's going to struggle, I know it will, but no, you can't really see there, and set you up somewhere better. So it's warm. Right, so as you could see there, with a brand new bar and chain on, the saw really did struggle. You can see how much smoke is coming off the muffler, so before we do the mod, we have to wait for that to cool down. I'll just get some tools back and I will be back.